Bill from MOTOTIPZ here. Today I'm going to review the Quad Lock Handlebar Mount Pro motorcycle phone mount. Last week I was riding with a buddy and he noticed I was still using a RAM mount, and he said I needed to try out the Quad Lock, that it's a much better system. I went ahead and ordered the handlebar mount along with the phone case and the vibration dampener from Quad Lock. I went with the Handlebar Mount Pro, which is an all aluminum version, and it comes with a black release tab versus the blue one. My phone is a Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra, and this is the case fitted for that. In addition, I also got the vibration and dampener. Now I have gone through two separate Samsung phones where I destroyed the camera because of the vibrations on the motorcycle, so I'm hoping that this will help and I don't have to replace any more phones. So let's open all these up and then get them installed on the motorcycle and see how they do. The mount itself comes with the aluminum attachment and extension. There are several different rings for adjusting the mount to fit different size handlebars. It's also great that Quad Lock included an Allen key with it, so no need to find your own tools. This is the vibration dampener, and it has these squishy little bushings here, and are supposed to help with the vibration, so it kind of moves freely pretty easily. So I'm hoping that this does a much better job than my previous mounts in reducing the vibrations. So let's take a look at the phone case itself. It's got the mount on the back for the Quad Lock. So there's a little bump there, a little ridge, so it does change the profile a little bit. My two gripes with the phone case looking at it initially is that the bumpers on the front aren't quite high enough. I wish they were offered a little more protection, and then the case itself is a little slippery. It would be nice if they added some texture to the back of the case. So let's install it on my BMW R1250 GS Adventure. The first thing I had to do was move the handlebar bag out of the way. The mount itself comes with several different rings that allow you to mount on different size handlebars. So select the one that is closest to the size of your bars. What you want is a small gap in the ring once you place it around the bars. If there's not a gap, then the mount's not going to hold securely. Next, we're going to attach the actual mount onto the handlebars. I've already attached the vibration or dampener to the mount itself. There's a small hole in the front that you can go through with an Allen wrench and reach the bolt behind it. Tighten down that securely to the mount. Next, we're going to place the mount itself onto the handlebars. There's one screw that attaches it. Tighten the screw until the mount is held in place, but don't completely tighten it because you may need to adjust it for the proper phone position. One great thing about the Quad Lock mount is one Allen wrench will adjust all the screws. The last part of the mount assembly is this latch that allows you to take the phone on and off. So once the phone is put in place, to remove it, you press back on the tab. It's kind of spring loaded, and then you'll rotate the phone counterclockwise to remove it. Once you have the mount in your preferred location, go back through and tighten all the screws securely. Most of the screws already have thread locker on it, so it should hold it in place. Now that the mount is in place, the last step is connecting the phone. Hold the phone at a 45-degree angle to the mount and push against it. As you push against the mount, rotate the phone counterclockwise and it'll click into place, giving a solid, secure hold. Pretty happy with the fitment. It should still allow me to use the handlebar bag. So let's go on a test ride and I'll give you my thoughts. So I've been using the Quad Lock for a few days now. I'm very happy with it. It locks in very securely, so you put it at 45 degrees, twist it, and then it clicks. There's a very positive click in. So I feel very secure with it in the mount. I don't feel like it's going to fall out. I've been riding quite a bit with it, and it seems good. The other thing I've noticed is with the vibrations, the phone is actually very still. It doesn't move around a lot, so it seems like the vibration dampener probably works well. When I had it in a different mount, the phone definitely shook and moved around as I was riding. So I would say this is a big upgrade. I also like how it's very sleek, sits close to the handlebars, blends in well with the bike with the black color. I do prefer the black, solid black Pro mount over the other mount, which has the blue tab on it. So yeah, I'm very happy with it, and definitely gonna keep it on the bike. I would recommend it. I've placed a link in the description below where you can order a quad lock. I'm very happy with mine. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below, and make sure to click subscribe. Thanks for watching.